Today is Sarah's first time shopping at a big American supermarket. She needs to buy groceries for the week. She takes a shopping cart and walks inside.
Wow, this supermarket is huge.
Sarah looks around. There are many aisles with different products.
Excuse me, where can I find the bread?
A friendly employee smiles.
The bread is in aisle 4.
Sarah thanks the employee and walks to aisle 4.
Thank you very much.
She picks a loaf of whole wheat bread and puts it into her shopping cart.
This looks fresh.
Now, Sarah needs milk and eggs.
Excuse me, where is the dairy section?
The employee points toward the back of the store.
It's right over there.
Sarah walks to the dairy section.
I'd like 1 gallon of milk.
She also picks up a dozen eggs.
These eggs are on sale.
Next, Sarah wants some fruit.
The apples look delicious.
She compares the prices.
These apples are cheaper. I'll take these.
Sarah still needs cereal, but she can't find it.
Excuse me, could you help me?
An employee walks over.
Of course. What are you looking for?
Sarah smiles politely.
I'm looking for cereal.
The employee points to another aisle.
It's in aisle 8.
Sarah finds many different brands.
Which one is popular?
The employee recommends one.
Many people like this one.
Sarah puts it into her cart.
Great! I'll take it.
Sarah has everything she needs. She goes to the checkout counter.
Hello.
The cashier smiles.
Did you find everything you were looking for?
Sarah nods.
Yes, I did. Thank you.
The cashier scans all the groceries.
Your total is $32.75.
Sarah takes out her credit card.
Can I pay by card?
The cashier smiles.
Of course.
The payment is approved.
Would you like a bag?
Sarah nods.
Yes, please.
The cashier hands Sarah the receipt.
Here's your receipt. Have a nice day.
Sarah smiles as she leaves the supermarket with her groceries home.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Key English phrases learned. Where can I find the bread? Where is the dairy section? Excuse me, could you help me? I'm looking for cereal. Which one is popular? These apples are cheaper. I'll take these. Did you find everything you were looking for? Can I pay by card? Would you like a bag? Here's your receipt. Have a nice day.